Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app version and granting permissions. This prevents unexpected failures. Once done, open the shortcut you will edit and immediately duplicate it so you preserve a working backup. Next, inspect the trigger, input variables, and the output you want. Write them down if needed. This quick inventory saves time because you avoid rebuilding logic later. Now, tap Edit to enter the action list. This is where you transform intent into executable steps. You now work through the action list, reordering or inserting actions to change behavior. Use short tests. Select a block and quick run to confirm it behaves as expected. Once done, add conditional blocks and variables to handle branching. This lets the shortcut respond differently to inputs. Make sure to name variables clearly so you can track data flow. If you need external content, add a wait or input prompt. Otherwise, the shortcut runs too quickly and misses values. You finish by running the entire shortcut with representative inputs to verify results. Watch each step's output to confirm expectations. Once satisfied, save and optionally export or share the shortcut. Update any permissions the system requests. If something goes wrong, revert to your duplicate backup, then isolate the failing action by testing segments one at a time. This targeted approach reveals the root cause quickly. Remember, most problems come from a single misname.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.